Let me show you how to build a 4-lane digital Carrera Batman Gotham City 1966 racetrack, coming up next. Hello everybody, my name is Trevor Slescu and I'm the owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Well, today I got on my Joker shirt from the original 1989 Batman movie. I actually bought it way back then and it's held up multiple washings in the washing machine. But we're not here to talk about laundry. We're here to talk about this amazing track right behind me, a reproduction of the 1966 Batman track off the original TV series, starring Adam West and Burt Ward. So now let's go down and I'm going to show you how to build this in your very own place. And here we go, right down to Gotham City, 1966. And we have the 89 Keaton Batmobile to match my t-shirt. This is an AMT model kit, just so you know. It's not a slot car, but boy, wouldn't that be cool if it was. Okay, so we're at the start-finish gate, but I found out, all right, this is on our regular 4x8, 8x16 tables, with a little 2-foot by 4-foot overhang here on the end. Alright, so I started setting up this track again. There's two problems. Number one, I wanted to set it up exactly like what it shows here. This is an original blueprint of this track. It's actually this way on our table. But again, I had that problem right here in the central loop. Now Mark, one of our customers here, loaned me 8 pieces of track, which would have made that loop crossover perfect. But we actually found out that when Devin and Matt left a long time ago, they took some of their track with them, and I was borrowing a couple of pieces and I ended up short again. So I've got the same incorrect curve up there. So anyway, what I need is 16 straights. So just so you know, when we go through this track, that right there in that middle bit, I need 16 more straights, which I will do the next time we do this. So now, this is what I actually found here. This curve here is where you should start. This is 180 degrees right here. Put it to your table edge, and this will be your best guide, because this thing, it's huge and it's got some really weird areas to try to figure out where to best locate this thing. So I'm just going to go back to our start finish gate now and give you an idea of what's going on. So right behind our start finish gate, the first parts of the straights, we have 2 1/4 sections, then 1 2 straights, our start finish gate expansion piece, and our start finish gate. And this is facing backward because these Carrera digital gates only run in one direction, and we want to run that way down the track, not this way. So we actually have to turn this around this way, so all my controls are backwards to where I'm going to be, which is a real pain. But you know, if Carrera could figure out a way to take one of these things and plug it in on this side and still have it go that way, or a switch that goes left right, we'd be fine, but we're not. So here we go. Okay, so starting again, 2 1/4 pieces, then 2 regular straights, start finish expansion, start finish gate, which comes in any one of the digital sets, digital wireless plus sets I should say, and then we've got a power track and a power track. And when you buy one of these wireless to extend to your 6 lane, it comes with one of these, and when you buy one of those lap counters, it also comes with one of these. So one of these will come in your set. Then you need to get 2 of these dual digital control things. Part numbers in the description below. Then we have 1 2 straights, then 1 2 3 4 more straights. Then you're turning in toward the table, and you've got a 2-30 and a 1-30. And then I've put in my 2 X's from the expansion set number 3. You need 2 of those. And then 1 2 3 4 straights. And then 1 2 3 4 1-60s. And that would be 8 2-30s going around a perimeter. And then 1 2 straights. Then under here I've got 2 left-hand switches. So a total of 3 straights underneath this, more or less. And then turning back this way, a 2-30 and a 1-30. And then 1 2 3 4 5 6 straights underneath there. And it's hard to see because I've got this piece of wood supporting that. But there they are. Now, when I started to set this up, I actually had enough straights to add 2 more over there, which brought this loop right over here, which brings that support right here. Just so you know, when I do get enough track pieces to make this correctly, that's what it'll look like. So right here I've got our hairpin curve, little added feature this time on Batman. A 1/4 straight, and over there 1/4 straight to extend out the outer perimeter. And then 1 2 3 4 5 6 2-60s going around there. Then we're going to move under the bridge, where right here I've got 2 chicanes, so that counts as 2 straights. 2 chicanes from our expansion set number 3. Then 1 2 straights. Right under there I've got our single straight, cross in the middle, single straight. Then, see, I don't know. Then I've got 2 straights there and a double powered crossing. And then a single straight here. Curve crossing there. And then 2 more 1-60s. I thought someone was going to come up the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2-30s. Then I've got a bridge here. This would count as a single bridge just to go up. So as you can see. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. Then we're doing a 90-degree curve here. Now ordinarily this section here is supposed to go right across and then turn up there, and then this one drops down and goes underneath that distance there, but I didn't have enough straights. So anyway, 1-30 and 1-60, 1, 2, 3 2-30s, 1, 2, 3, 4 straights, then a 180-degree curve, so 1, 2, 3 1-60s, and 6 2-30s. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 single straights. Then another 90 right here for a 1-60 and a 1-30. 1, 2, 3 2-30s. 2 single straights. And then 60-degree curve, 1-60 and 2 2-30s. Then under here I've got 2 right-hand switches under our bridge. And then we do this big circle is 360-degree curve. So that is 6 1-60s and 12 2-30s. And then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 straights right there. And then a 1/4 section, 2 1/4 sections. And then 120 degrees, so that is 2 1-60s and 4 2-30s. And that, dear bat friends, is Gotham City. Well, we hope you enjoyed this slot car building video, and remember to check us out at www.monster-hobbies.ca. And check out down here somewhere, there's a notification bell icon. And if you subscribe to me and you click on that bell, you will be notified every time we do something cool down here at Monster Hobbies, like upload a video on wargaming, or build a Star Trek model, or race some slot cars, or build monster models, or any of the stuff that we do down here that is really exciting. You'll get notified once I upload the video. So please, remember, click that bell. And the next thing you can check out is when we get racing, you can click on this big American flag up here and it'll notify you when we race this thing, which will be tomorrow night, and then you can check it out. And don't forget to check out our race here, check out our other 2 cool track builds here, and of course subscribe to us down here, and we will see you next time.